All our machines are basically installed and then packaged and shipped, including all inkjet printers. The nozzles are tested and installed before being packaged and shipped. After you receive the machine, you only need to connect it to the computer and install the ink. We also recorded a simple installation video for each machine. There are also videos on how to install and operate the software of each printer, including some commonly used operation videos of the machine. The machine is very simple. Generally, it takes 1 to 2 days to learn and operate our machine proficiently. During your installation, operation, and use, if there is any problem, our technicians will give you timely online guidance. They can also take pictures and videos on site in our showroom and teach you hand in hand. So there is no need to worry about the installation, operation, and use of the machine.